Is your car throwing a P0300 code and you have no idea what it means? Don't worry. Today, I'll explain everything about that mysterious code and what you can do to fix it. What is the P0300 code? The P0300 code is a message from your car's onboard diagnostic system. In simple terms, it means your engine is experiencing misfires, but not just one specific misfire, multiple, randomly occurring ones. Basically, your car is telling you, hey, something's wrong, but I can't pinpoint exactly which cylinder is causing the problem. So instead of blaming one cylinder, it points to the engine as a whole. Common causes of the P0300 code? This code can be triggered by a variety of issues, but don't stress because some of them are easy to fix. Here are the most common causes. 1. Faulty or dirty spark plugs. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture inside the engine. If they're dirty, worn out, or defective, they can cause misfires, which triggers the P0300 code. The first thing you should do if you get this code is check the spark plugs. If they're dirty or old, replace them. Sometimes, a simple spark plug change can solve the problem and clear the code. 2. Damaged ignition wires. If your ignition wires are old, worn, or damaged, they won't do their job properly. This can lead to random misfires, and of course, that pesky P0300 code. If you suspect the problem lies with the wires, inspect their condition and replace them if necessary. 3. Dirty air filters. The air filter is vital for ensuring the engine gets enough oxygen for combustion. If it's dirty or clogged, the engine may not receive the proper airflow, causing misfires. Make sure the air filter is clean and replace it if needed. A clean air filter can improve engine performance and help avoid ignition issues. 4. Fuel injector issues. Fuel injectors are responsible for spraying fuel into the combustion chamber. If one of these injectors gets clogged or damaged, it won't deliver fuel properly, which can lead to misfires. Dirty or defective injectors are one of the main causes of random misfires. If this is the problem, you can try cleaning the injectors or, if needed, replace them. 5. Faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor monitors the air-fuel mixture in the engine. If it's faulty, it may send incorrect readings to the engine's computer, resulting in inefficient combustion. This misfire issue can trigger the P0300 code. If the oxygen sensor is failing, replacing it can solve the problem. 6. Vacuum hose leaks. Vacuum hoses help regulate airflow in the engine. If one of them has a leak, it can mess with the air-fuel mixture, causing the engine to run erratically. Vacuum hose leaks can be hard to detect, but if you're experiencing random misfires, it's one thing you should check. 7. Ignition system failures. The ignition system includes parts like the ignition coil, distributor, and other components. If any of these are damaged or malfunctioning, they can cause misfires, which would trigger the P0300 code. A proper diagnostic will tell you if any part of the ignition system needs to be replaced. 8. Fuel pump problems. The fuel pump is responsible for delivering fuel to the engine. If it's not working correctly, the engine might not get enough fuel, leading to misfires. If the P0300 code appears alongside other symptoms, like difficulty starting the car, it's possible the fuel pump is failing. Solutions for the P0300 code. The good news is that most of the time, the P0300 code is fixable. Here are some recommendations to resolve the issue. Replace the spark plugs. If they're dirty or worn, replace them. This is one of the first steps you should take. Replace the ignition wires. If the wires are defective, it's time for new ones. Replace the air filter. Make sure it's clean and free of obstructions. Clean or replace the fuel injectors. If the injectors are clogged, clean them or replace them if necessary. Replace the oxygen sensor. If it's faulty, replacing it is a good option. Check the vacuum hoses. Make sure there are no leaks in the vacuum hoses. Check the ignition system. Inspect the ignition coil and other parts to see if they need replacing. Check the fuel pump. If it's failing, replace it to ensure the engine gets enough fuel. With a little attention and care, your car can be back to running smoothly without those annoying misfires.